What is wrong with the state's K through 12 public education system and how are we going to fix it? That's what we're all asking out here, right? I mean, there's no agreement on exactly what's broken or what policies are needed for a cure, but it's obvious that morality and merit are under attack, and we need to restore them back to honor in our schools pronto. See, back in the 90s, North Carolina was a state making the most progress toward achieving national benchmarks. From 90 to 96, we were the state that led all other states in math and reading gains. Now, experts are going to tell you that factors like teacher pay or student-to-teacher ratios would explain the state's past stellar performance. But the answer is simpler. North Carolina schools were better in the past because education leaders knew the difference between right and wrong, or good and bad behavior, and they were not afraid to say so. And the distinctively American value that achievement comes through hard work, well, that was promoted throughout the school community everywhere. Those ethos are what protected students' personal liberties and at the same time helped them be honest, responsible, and hardworking themselves. Morality and merit would still be flourishing today if our public schools hadn't been infested by cultural anarchists. These agitators are Marxists, left-wing extremists hell-bent on blowing up civility and replacing it with their own beliefs like America is systemically racist or white supremacy is killing the country. They've replaced civility with their own customs like tearing down statues or kneeling for the flag, and their own orthodoxy like gender is fluid and fathers are bad in the home. Some anarchists are in classrooms disguised as teachers. They do things like conduct classroom exercises to con children into revealing their gender, their sexual preferences, and their private thoughts, and even relationships with their family details are mixed in there.